In this video, let me start from the question number 6. Okay, see here, question number 6: by what number should minus 5 raised to the power minus 1 be divided to give the quotient in the bracket minus 25 raised to the power minus 1? See here, they are saying here by what number. That number we don't know, and this number only we wanted to find actually. Okay, so when we don't know that number, no, that we will consider as a x. Okay, by what number it is not, let it be x. Now here in the next sentence, what they are saying, this becomes now x should minus 5 raised to the power minus 1 be divided. So when we divide minus 5 raised to the power minus 1 divide by x, according to the sentence, give the quotient. Give the quotient means it is giving the answer. What is it is giving? It is giving answer minus 25 raised to the power minus 1. Okay, according to the sentence we will get the expression like this: by what number should divide this number to get the answer this number. Okay, see here, this here it is a power negative sign, no? So we can just write minus 1 by 5. Okay, and here when I will convert division to multiplication, here I need to do reciprocal. So here I'll get 1 by x. Okay, now which is equals to, again let me do here reciprocal. So here I'll get 1 by 25. Okay, now we need to find x value here actually. So what I will do, I will shift x to the right side. Okay, when I'll shift, here it is in the denominator, now it comes to the numerator. Meanwhile, what I'll do, I'll take this minus 1 by 25 to the left side. Now here 25 which is in the denominator, now when I'll shift to the left side, it will comes in the numerator place, that is minus 25. And by 1 I'm not going to write, and here which is already there, no, that is minus 1 by 5, I'm just writing here minus 5. Okay, 1 is not required. Now this minus get cancels, 5 1s are 5 5s are 25. Therefore x value what we found, that is 5. Okay, for this also we can do the cross check, right? So what we have the expression like this, no, let me write as it is, minus 1 divided by x value we found, that is 5, which is equals to, when we will simplify, no, they are saying that answer we will get, that is minus 25 raised to the power minus 1. Now in the next step, I'll do the reciprocal here as usual. Here let me convert multiplication to division by 5, which is equals to minus 25 raised to the power minus 1. It means when we will simplify from the left side, no, we must get answer right side whatever it is there. Now let me multiply the denominators. So minus 1 into 1 1, minus as it is, minus 5 5s are 25. Okay, these are as it is. Now let me shift 25 to the numerator. When I'll shift, before that minus it will be in their place only. When I'll shift, here nothing it is there, means there will be power 1. Okay, so when I'll shift to the numerator, no, now it's plus 1, it will become minus 1. Sorry, I should keep it inside the bracket. Okay, because here it was there, no, in the bracket. Now this side minus 25 raised to the power minus 1. Both answers we found the same. Okay, hence what we found, the x value, that is correct. Question number 7, here we need to find the n value. Okay, and here we are having the question. Now see here, first we will convert division to multiplication to further simplify. Now when I'll convert, we have to do the reciprocal of that. So I'll get 1 by 8 raised to the power 5, which is equals to, now here both bases are same, so what we can do, we can add the powers according to the products law. That I'll get minus 3 plus in the bracket 2n minus 1. Okay, now 8 raised to the power 11 as it is into, now this number I'll bring to the numerator. When I'll bring, no, it will become plus 5 to, it will become minus 5 now which is equals to 8 raised to the power minus 3 plus into plus 2n, that is plus 2n only, plus minus 1. Okay, now again both bases are same, so simply we can add the powers. 11 plus in the bracket minus 5 is equals to 8 raised to the power minus 3 minus 1. What we need to add. So after addition I'll get, that is 4, and bigger number carrying the negative sign, that is minus 4 and 2n. And here 8 raised to the power 11 plus minus 5, which is equals to 8 raised to the power 2n minus 4. Okay, now 11 minus 5, how much I'll get? I'll get, that is 6, is equals to 8 raised to the power 2n minus 4. Now both bases are same, so simply we can cancel and we can equate the powers. 6 is equals to 2n minus 4. Now let me bring minus 4 to the left side. So when I'll bring it, it will become minus 4 to plus 4 is equals to 2n. 6 plus 4 I'll get that is 10, which is equals to 2n. Now to find out the n value, 2 I'll bring to the left side. So when I'll bring, it will become in the form of division. Why? Because here it is having the relation that is multiplication. 2 1s are 2 5s are 10. Therefore n value what we found, that is 5. Okay. Question number 8. In this we need to find n value. Okay, and here we are having the question. See here, 9 raised to the power n plus 2 we are having at left side, and right side we are having 9 raised to the power n. Okay, so what I will do, I will bring this to the left side. Okay, so I'll get that is 9 raised to the power n plus 2. When I'll bring, no, it will become plus 2 minus. That is minus 9 raised to the power n is equals to 240. Okay, now see, this power I'll split to the base. So I'll get 9 raised to the power n into 9 raised to the power 2 minus 9 raised to the power n, which is there already, which is equals to 240. Now here it is one group and here it is one group. In between we are having the minus sign. So whatever it is there common, like left and right side, not this one, in this. So we can take the common, right? So I'll take 9 raised to the power n, which is common. Now let me take. So what left in the bracket? We left with the 9 raised to the power 2. Yes. So we can write 9 9s are 81, right? Minus, when it will come outside, what it left? Only 1. Okay. Is equals to 240. Now 9 raised to the power n as it is, 81 minus 1, I'll get that is 80, right? And when I'll open the bracket, we will have the here multiplication, which is equals to 240. Now to further simplify, let me bring 80 to right side. So when I'll bring, it will become in the form of division. And here it is left 9 raised to the power n. Now let me cancel 0 0. Okay, and 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Sorry, 8 3s are 24. So what we found, 9 raised to the power n, which is equals to 3. Okay, now this 9 we can write 3 raised to the power 2 and raised to the power n. 3 3s are 9. Yes, equals to 3. Now here we can apply the powers law. So in that we can multiply the powers. So what I'll get, 2 into n, I'll get that is 2n, which is equals to 3. Here nothing it is there, means there will be 1, as we know that. Now this cancels and we can equate here. That is 2n, which is equals to 1. Okay, now let me bring 2 to right side. It will become in the form of division. Hence n value we found, that is 1 by 2. Okay. Question number 9. In the question number 9 we have 2 questions. In that we need to find x value. Okay, in that first question, see here, 3 raised to the power 2x minus 1, which is equals to 27. We can write 3 raised to the power 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Why I'm writing like this? So both bases will become same. When it will become same, no, we can just cancel it, and we can, what we can do, we can equate the like a left and right side. So now x minus 3, which is there now already, that I'm writing. Now 3 raised to the power 2x minus 1 is equals to, here 3 powers we can multiply according to the powers law. 3 into x, 3x, minus 3 into x, that is 3x. So this is 3. 3 3s are 9. Now both bases are same, so we can cancel, and now these powers will become equal to each other. That is 2x minus 1 is equals to 3x minus 9. Not equals to each other, I mean we can equate like this. Now let me bring same variables to one side. So 3x let me bring to the left side. So it will become plus 3x to minus 3x is equals to minus 9. It is there already. Let me bring this side, this minus 1. It will become plus 1. Now plus 2x minus 3x, what we need to, when it is having unlike signs, no, we need to do subtract. So I'll get that is 1x. So simply I'm just writing x, and bigger I'm carrying the negative sign, is equals to, again here it is unlike signs. Okay, so we need to do subtract. 9 minus 1, I'll get that is 8, and bigger number carrying the negative sign. So both signs we can cancel, that is negative sign. So hence x value what I found, that is 8. Okay. Question number 2 from the 9th main, and here is the test yourself, it will get over. Okay, now see here in this question, let me make all the bases same. Okay, so see, we can simplify. Here it is 25 raised to the power x. So 25 how we can write? See that we can find it from the prime factorization method. Okay, 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So 25 we can write 5 raised to the power 2. Why? Because we found 2, and raised to the power x into 5 raised to the power 5, and 125 also we can find it from the prime factorization method. See, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So 125 we can write 5 raised to the power how many? 3. Raised to the power which is the 3 already. And here 125 again we can write 5 raised to the power 3. Divide by 5 as it is here into 625. Let me find 625. 5. 5 ones are 1 left, 5 twos are 10, 2 left, 5 fives are 25. Further from here 5 25s are 125, 5 fives are 25, 5 ones are 5. For 625 we can write 5 raised to the power 4 and raised to the power 4 which is there already. Okay, now in the next step 5 raised to the power, let me apply powers law. In that powers we will do the multiply. 2 into x I'll get that is 2x into 5 raised to the power 5 into 5 raised to the power 3 3 is a 9 by 5 into here 5 raised to the power 4 4 is a 16 is equals to 5 raised to the power 3. Okay, now here all the bases are same, so we can add the powers, right? That I'll get 5 raised to the power 2x plus 5 plus 9 by here also we can apply the same thing. So I'll get 5 raised to the power that is 1 plus 16 is equals to 5 raised to the power 3. Okay, now here we can add the 5 plus 9. So I'll get 5 raised to the power 2x plus 9 plus 10 and 14 I'll get. And by 5 raised to the power 7 is equals to 5 raised to the power 3. Now to further simplify, let me bring this number to the numerator, right? Oh, I should write here 5. Okay, now 5 raised to the power 2x plus 14, and when it will bring to the numerator, here it is division, it will become multiplication, and here it will become plus 2 minus 17 which is equals to 5 raised to the power 3. Now see here both bases are same, so we can add the powers. 5 raised to the power 2x plus 14 plus in the bracket minus 7 bracket complete is equals to 5 raised to the power 3. Now 2x plus 14 plus minus 17 which is equals to 5 raised to the power 3. Now 5 raised to the power 2x, here one is plus and here is minus, unlike sign, so we need to subtract. So after subtraction I'll get that is 3 and bigger number carrying the negative sign which is equals to 5 raised to the power 3. Now both bases are same, so we can cancel. Now 2x minus 3 is equals to 3. Now to simplify, minus 3 I'll bring to the right side. When I'll bring, it will become plus 3. On this side 2x. 3 plus 3 I'll get 6 and here it is 2x. Now to further simplify x value, let me bring 2 to the right side, so it will become in the form of division, and the left side it will remain only x. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. Therefore x value we found that is 3. Okay.